Imagine what our lives will look like 4 years from now. We may be studying for an intense week of college finals, pursuing our careers, or serving our country in the military. Even though our lives 4 years from now may be completely different, what remains common is that we will each be in the pursuit of our passions. Now, I'm not talking about passion fruit here. That's a song by Drake. Through the experiences and opportunities that we are given, we are able to discover our passions. Something that we love to do, something that fascinates us. Finding your passion motivates you to put in your all and turn your dreams into reality. Entering high school, I felt that my passion was in the field of engineering. I always dreamed of being able to one day sign my name off on the blueprints of buildings and roads that our community needed. Throughout high school, I have been involved with the Academy of Engineering, math team, and robotics team. But even though I performed well in the engineering curriculum, I wondered if engineering was something that I was truly passionate about. Quite frankly, I did not enjoy the engineering assignments as much as I thought I would. And I wondered if engineering was something that I loved to do, something that would continue to fascinate me, or what I wanted to become my reality. And I felt really lost. But in my junior year, something else started to capture my attention. In robotics, I was given the opportunity to mentor my younger teammates, and I loved everything about introducing them to obscure concepts and how rewarding it was to help them reach clarity. In my senior year, I took upon a greater interest in a teaching career and got involved with their school's Academy of Teacher Education. All my friends officially thought that I was crazy. Regardless, after student teaching at Honowai Elementary, Waipahu Intermediate, and Waipahu High School, I finally felt that I was on the right path. Tonight, I can proudly say that I have found my passion for the field of education, and I look forward to coming back to Waipahu High School to teach either math or engineering and to inspire my future students just as my former teachers have inspired me over the past 12 years. Seniors, from this day forward, let us commit ourselves to finding and holding on to our passion, whatever it may be. Do not be afraid to try new things or change what you want to pursue. You may find out that you love doing something that you have not even done yet. Do not stop chasing your aspirations, even when times get difficult or even if your goals seem too far away. I know I said I wasn't talking about passion fruit, but be passionate from miles away and don't be passive with the things you say. And let us not forget to thank the people that inspire us to strive towards our goals each and every day. Thank you to our current and former teachers, administrators, and school staff for working so hard to ensure that we are on a path towards success. Thank you to our industry partners for believing in our abilities and creating unique learning opportunities for us as students. Thank you to our friends for always being there for us in times of need, in and out of school. And most of all, to our families. Thank you for the sacrifices that you make and your never-ending love and support. You are the reason why we are all up here today. Seniors, today is only the beginning. Let us dominate the world ahead of us and never stop until our dreams come true. 2018. Thank you.